If the clock app is not working properly in the now bar on your Samsung Galaxy A17, it is not being displayed, or it just shows like stopwatch or timer text without the time, then in order to solve this issue, first of all, we can go to settings. Let me actually go back. Over here in settings, we can scroll all the way down and go to apps. Over here, find the clock app. Next, go to notifications. And over here we can make sure that live notifications is enabled, and also make sure that the lock screen notifications are enabled over here. So make sure that this option is enabled. Besides that, what you can also do is go to the notifications. Over here, open lock screen notifications. And if you still have the issue with the clock app not working properly, you might want to show the content of lock screen notifications. Of course, we can tap on the setting icon on the right side in order to decide which apps should not show the content. But generally speaking, the clock app should have access to the contents so that it can actually show the content. And then if you go to the lock screen, you should be able to find your clock app working just fine. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.